Hi, and welcome back, everyone. On today's episode of Healthy Cooking with Heidi, I'm going to teach you how to make a fat-free peanut butter chocolate nice cream. So what we're using as our base ingredient, instead of any milk products, keep this dairy-free and fat-free, is what I have here is some frozen bananas. The ripeness of banana that you want is you want to let your bananas get all brown. When you want to throw them away and you don't think, ooh, these aren't good anymore, this is when they're perfect to peel them and then freeze them whole. This is what we want because this is our source of sweetness in this recipe. We don't have any added sugar in here. So I've taken these out of the freezer. You can tell they're getting a little mushy because I've been letting them defrost just a little bit. All right, so we've got about 3 or 4 ripe bananas that we're starting with in there. So we're gonna add some unsweetened cocoa powder. Our cocoa powder is a rich source of antioxidants that we're adding here. So I'm gonna do 1 large heaping tablespoon of our unsweetened cocoa powder. You could also use cacao, either or. And then I've got a peanut butter powder, which is just defatted peanuts. So taking out all the fat, and I'm gonna add just about a tablespoon of this. So since our bananas have softened pretty nicely, I'm gonna see how it goes blending without adding any plant milk to it. And if we need some, we can add it. Oh, this looks great. Okay. So if you need to scrape it down at any time, do that and then just keep blending it. But we've got a great, nice, soft serve consistency. Look at this wonderful consistency here. All right, now we're putting it in our cup here, serving this up. This is a great, nice family summer dessert when you want something a little sweet during the day. We can feel good about this because this is just whole foods. We've got bananas in here. No added fat, no added sugar in here. We've got lactose free. We can even put on a couple strawberries into it. And here we go, a healthy and delicious dessert. Thanks for watching.